Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the top 5 cryptocurrencies that in my opinion are going to 10x in this year. So without further ado, let's get straight into the list. This is going to be in no particular order. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor by any means, and this is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes only. Now, jumping into my first pick, this is going to be Polkadex. So, Polkadex has had quite the retracement back to, uh, you know, to $8, $9 over here. And I did just swap my Chainlink tokens for Polkadex tokens because I think in the short term, TDEX can do really, really good, especially with the Polkadot parachains. So as you can see, they are this token is tradable on KuCoin, Gate.io, and Uniswap. Now, if you are going to do your own research into this token and you're going to end up deciding to purchase this token or get involved in this token, maybe consider using some of the links down below in the description to create an account on Gate.io or KuCoin. Those will give you some discounts for your trades, and it does support the channel as well, so keep that in mind. So yes, jumping into the chart for Polkadex real quick. So as you can see, the all-time high for Polkadex was $40. Ignore that huge wick. So $80 is gonna be right over here. Okay, so that's gonna be our $80 mark, and I think that's doable, considering that Polkadex is a low cap gem. It's in the Polkadot ecosystem, and we actually did have a ascending triangle over here, but we did fall out from it, and we actually went down all the way to the support level that I gave you. So if you want to check out, I do have a technical analysis on Polkadex. I do them on a weekly basis. They're going to be in the upload section of my channel. Now let's jump into the next coin. So the next coin is Chainlink. Now Chainlink is sitting on the 16th spot over here on a 12.5 billion market cap. So 10 times this is going to be 120 billion market cap for Chainlink. Is this possible for a peak bull market blow off top? Of course it is. 120 million, $1 billion isn't that much. So let's take a look at the top 10. So this would put it yeah, so this is almost like it's going to be top 3 if you count in the current market caps, but by that time all these in the top 10 are going to move up as well. So Bitcoin's going to be like a 2 trillion, right? Ethereum's going to be at almost a trillion, and yeah, all these are going to move up, so it's not going to be in the top 5 in my opinion, but it can definitely move up. It has staking upcoming for it. So, a lot of bullish news, a lot of partnerships. I think Chainlink is the project with the most partnerships at the moment. And yeah, this is a great project. It's an oracle. For those who don't know, do your own research into it. And if you decide to start investing into Chainlink, it is available on KuCoin and Binance and Coinbase. I do have links as well in the description for the Binance accounts. Those will get you a discount for your trading as well. So I believe like a 15% discount or 10% discount. I don't really remember. I think 20% off of your trades. I'm not sure. I do apologize. I did forget. But yeah, like I said, 12.5 billion, 10x, not too much for a project as good as Chainlink. If we jump into the technicals over here, you can see that $240 would be just above this Fibonacci retracement that I have. So is this possible in a peak bull market? Of course, if we're just going to start doing something like this, and this parabolic is going to, with parabolic moves like this, 10x gains for good projects is doable. So yeah, now let's jump into the next coin. Next up, we have Orion Protocol. This is one of our favorite projects here on the channel, and Orion has a lot of bullish news incoming. And as you can see, it was trading over here at almost $30 during the peak of the first peak of this bull market, and right now it's all the way below $5. So can this do a 10x with the upcoming Orion bridge that it has in store? So right now, sitting at a 200 million market cap, $2 billion is not a lot for the crypto space right now. And keep in mind, the market cap doesn't show you the real money in the project. So this is basically the price multiplied by the circulating supply. You get your market cap. So this isn't the real amount of money in the project, right? You can actually divide this by two, and that's probably how much money is in the project. So it's around $100 million in Orion Protocol. So yeah, 10x for Orion Protocol in 2022. I think that's possible with the Orion bridge that will allow people to trade on the Ethereum blockchain with almost zero fees. Is going to bring a lot of demand to the Orion blockchain and the Orion protocol, the Orion terminal. So yeah, it's going to be great. It's going to be great, guys. Make sure to take a look at Orion. It is tradable on Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, and Gate.io. So all the links for those are in the description as always. So yeah, if we jump into the charts real quick for Orion over here, you can see that it's been sideways, choppy, but it's in the buy zone that I did give you a couple of days ago. So if you want to enter, now is probably one of the better times to be entering Orion Protocol because it's in a dip at the minute. So yeah, and if we look at the price over here of the fib levels, if we can just zoom out a little bit. So this would put Orion Protocol at $48, right? So that's a 10x, and I think that's super doable, right? 40, all right, that's going to be 48, let's say $50, all right? So I think that's pretty doable. That's the 1.272 over here on this fib. We only need to get through the 0.5 and the golden ratio, and then we're pretty much set to retrace to our swing high over here, and then we're looking at the $53 price tag over here. So I think that is very doable. Keep an eye on Orion Protocol. Next up, we have Crypto.com, and this has done, very, very good things recently with all the bullish news that they have with the stadium renaming and all the marketing that they're doing. And they are actually planning to get into the top 5 cryptos, and they're putting a lot of money into marketing. That's why you see the pump with their token. If we jump into the price action, as you can see, this nice run up over here. I do apologize. I'm not going to zoom in too much because we're looking at $4 over here, $4.50 to be exact. And I think that's very possible in 2022 with the continuation of the bull market. Obviously, all of these price predictions are going to come to fruition, right, if the bull market will continue, right? I mean, it's not 100% even if the bull market continues, but I'm saying for them to be met, we need the bull market to continue. And $11.5 billion, that puts it at $150 billion market cap. I think that's doable. I think that's very, very doable. And yeah, Crypto.com, great exchange as always. It's still not actually tradable on Binance. So I think when that comes, they're going to see a nice price surge as well. But KuCoin and Coinbase are the top exchanges to get this token. And yeah, check out the news for Crypto.com. I think they're going to do absolutely incredible things in 2022. Now, jumping into our last coin, and this is going to be quite a controversial one in my opinion, but I think it is possible, but not in an organic way. Now, let me explain. So XRP, or Ripple, is currently in a lawsuit with the SEC regarding the XRP token, whether it's a security or not. But what we have to take out from this information is that once the lawsuit is over, and Ripple seems to be kicking SEC's ass, and there are some bullish news coming out. I think potentially bullish news this week regarding the lawsuit, so that can pump up the price a little bit. But once the lawsuit is settled and once Ripple wins, which I think is going to happen, you can see an enormous price surge and enormous attention brought to the cryptocurrency space after that event. And I think with that news, the XRP token can absolutely blast off. So currently it's sitting at $35.5 billion market cap. So let's say 10 times that, $350 billion market cap. I think that's doable only with the lawsuit victory and with enormous hype and bullish news surrounding the XRP token, right? On its own, I don't think it can do 10x because it's too big at this point, but with the lawsuit, I think it can have that nice price appreciation. So that will take it around about $7.50. Let's check our Fibonacci retracement over here. So we have our swing high, we have our swing low in July. So the second fib level over here is at $7.64. So $7.50 is just below that. That means we're going to get past the 1.618, which is $4.50. And I think this is doable, guys. I really do think this is doable. So let me know what you think of all these coins. What are some coins that you think are going to 10x in the year of 2022? Let me know down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think of my list. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check me out on Twitter. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night. Also, guys, make sure to check out ExpressVPN. This is the best VPN we have out there. So if you want to protect your data and you want to protect your information from your local network providers from anywhere in the city, if you connect to a Wi-Fi network, you're going to be safe using ExpressVPN. So also you can battle censorship with a VPN. For example, if you live in Japan and you want to access the streaming content of a different country, let's say Canada. So with ExpressVPN, you can change your IP address and you can access the streaming content on any basically streaming platform. So yeah, and for us in the crypto space, it's really important to keep our data and information safe. And for you US folks out there, it's really good to use a VPN sometimes because you get left out a lot of times with launch pads and different IDOs and ICOs. So yeah, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and also there is an exclusive deal for you. If you use the link in the description, you're gonna get obviously 30 days risk-free and 3 months for free if you decide to sign up for the 1-year plan. But yeah, the links are in the description. Make sure to check out ExpressVPN. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.